Hey, Scott Young here. I hope you're doing really well today. Thanks for joining me on this video. And you're probably doing some research on the best affiliate marketing training for beginners. And that's what we're going to cover in this video today. Before I get started, I just want to let you know about my #1 recommendation for making money online right now in today's environment. I'm going to drop a link right below this video, and you're free to check it out if you'd like. All right, so there are a lot of ways that you can get trained nowadays on becoming an affiliate marketer. I mean, the most popular way is just to go out on YouTube and do a search and just find all sorts of information and all the training that you would ever need to become a really great affiliate marketer. But here is the only problem. YouTube doesn't give you a master plan. You can be going out and searching for a needle in a haystack and gathering all the little bits and pieces that you think you need. But here's the problem. You don't know what you don't know. So you might have gone out and gathered a bunch of data and a bunch of good training from YouTube, but you may be missing something. You may not know that you're missing a key element because you don't really have a master plan. YouTube is just a bunch of resources out there, which is awesome, but it doesn't really coalesce it into one solid plan. So it's like finding a needle in the haystack. But the surest path to success is a high quality, thorough training program from someone that you know has gone through from start to finish, has made money, and is totally complete. And even better if that training includes mentorship and a team approach so that you can ask questions and get critical feedback on what you're doing. So this is kind of like the apprenticeship model back in the old days. Somebody goes under the mentorship of another person and they gain mastery in that skill. So that's why I wouldn't really fully recommend even an affiliate marketing course on like Udemy or Coursera or Skillshare, because I mean, they're great. They're going to give you some information, but you don't have any of the mentorship and any of the real community support that you need. So a big reason that most marketers give up and fail is because they try to succeed with incomplete information. They've got maybe like 20 to 50% of what they need to know to succeed, but it's the other 50% that actually is the key to success in this business. So they get frustrated and they bounce from one thing to another, and they try this here, they try that there, and they kind of put it together piecemeal rather than having like a master plan and a blueprint for success that they could just follow step by step and get them to producing a reliable income online. So it's worth getting involved in a super high quality training program that will teach you the blueprint for success. So there's really no question. You have all the information that you need in one place and you can go out and do it. Now, that doesn't mean that it's all done for you. That doesn't mean there's no hard work, that there's no learning, but you can be assured if you've got a training program like that, that you are following the steps of success. If you follow them and you follow them in the right way, then you will be successful. So now, personally, I promote Legendary Marketer because it is truly an amazing program. I am an affiliate of theirs, but I did a ton of research and I found that they are a really high quality program and really help people get to the success that they really dream of. Now, in Legendary Marketer, I was amazed that in their Marketers Club, they have 10,000 hours of super high quality profitable affiliate marketer training. I mean, tons and tons of courses that will totally fill in all the gaps of what a person needs in order to succeed in this business. So it's super thorough, and even after you go through their program, you learn the basics of setting up and succeeding in affiliate marketing. Then their Marketers Club, you could take it to the next level and the next level and the next level, because they have super advanced training in there, which will teach you everything you'd want to know to really expand and broaden the breadth of your business. So I really recommend cutting through all the clutter. And I'm not just pushing Legendary Marketer. There's other good ones out there like Wealthy Affiliate and I think it's 4%. But I mean, there's some really good ones out there. I personally chose Legendary Marketer just because the quality and the leadership and the team there is really astounding. So cut through the clutter and really get organized on how you are going to succeed with the blueprints to success. So again, if you want to check out Legendary Marketer, it's in the link down below. No pressure, only if you want to. You can check it out and see what you think for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this content. I hope it kind of helped to clarify what really needs to be done in terms of getting training for being a successful affiliate marketer. So click the thumbs up button if you like this video, or subscribe to get more value pack content every time I release something. And I hope that you really succeed in this business. Take care.